Yes, today we aren't gonna waste much time. Today, I'm gonna show you how to create a WorldRemit account. Yes, how you can create a WorldRemit account. Yes, I've already done so many videos about WorldRemit. I've already done a video about how to transfer money to on WorldRemit, and I've done a video about how to download the WorldRemit app because their site is not going to work. It's no more going to work. It will be the site will be online, but you can't transfer money there from January 2024. So now I've done a video about how to install the mobile app on your phone. I've done a video about how to track your WorldRemit transfer. I've done a video about how to transfer money on your WorldRemit. And yesterday I'm gonna do a video about how you can create a WorldRemit account. Yeah, so here we go. First of all, you need a data bundle. So you drag the top of your phone, and as you can see, my data connection is on. So if you are using a data connection, you put it on, or if you are using a Wi-Fi to turn it on. So here is my WorldRemit app. I'll tap on it like this, and yes, telling me make a world a difference. Continue with Google, register, login. So now I'm going to register now. I'll tap on register like this. Register. We are waiting. Android wizard. Subscribed. So it's telling me create your account. I live in the United States, which is USA, United States. Uh, the states I have to Wisconsin Dells. Uh, no, I'm coming. There, I'll select my state, which is, let me go. Wisconsin over here. And yes, I sent to Ghana. Let me say Ghana. Okay, now I've selected my create your account. I've selected my United States. I'm in United States now. I'm in United States, and yes, the state is Wisconsin, and I'm sending it to Ghana. So as you can see, then here you tap here, you put in your email address, which is ejinamwakwaku@gmail.com. Then the password, you put in your password. So as you can see, we are Goldo. I'm Goldo to go. If you have apply referral code, you can apply it, or if you don't have, you can move on. If you are creating it, please, I will leave my referral code under your the video description so that you can go and pick it and come and apply it for here, so that you can get your $5 and I get my $10. So after everything, as you can see, I'll tap on sign up. Tap on sign up like this, and we are waiting. Android wizard. So it's telling me my code as well. So I'm in the US, so I'll put in the number. So I'll put in my number like this, and I'll tap on submit. So we are waiting. It's telling me we have sent you a code. We have sent you a verification code to this. If this is wrong wrong mobile phone number. So they sent me a verification code now, and as you can see, I'll just paste my code over there, and yes, it's rolling, which is phone number verified. As you can see, I hope you can see everything. This is my account now. So transfer fee, and yes, select the method. Now I can transfer, I can send and do everything now. So I'm good to go. So I'll just select, this is my promo code. You need to select a receive method. So promo code can only be applied once you have selected a receive method. So I will receive method. I'll select this one. I will tap here, and yes, I'll tap on mobile money, mobile money. So within a minute, mobile money now. So this one I'm going to use MTN is up to 10,000 and Go is up to 5,000. So I'll select Vodafone. I'll select MTN like this, and yes, I'm good to to go. I'm good to go. I'm good to go. So it's telling me US, which is $100, $100, and yes, as you can see, it is so you can now select. I have already get my account now, so I'll tap on code. So the promo code, enter promo code. So if you have a promo code, available discount. So apply discount promo code to your transfer. So you can apply it now as well. So this is how we create a WorldRemit account. And as you can see, everything is intact now. Please and please again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave a comment under our comment section. Our best fast rate just for you. United States and to Ghana, send now. So anytime I come here, I can send money now. Thank you so very much. And here, the receivers, if you tap on receiver, no receiver yet. You tap on transfer, no transfer yet. You come home like this, my home, and you see this. So when you are here, you can send money now. Now you are good to go. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave a comment under our comment section so that we're going to reply you 247. Have a wonderful day. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.